Okay, hello AD. Welcome to a lesson on Monday, the 24th of February. We are continuing to look at our lesson three of this unit on how the British changed Hong Kong's culture. For homework, you should have completed activities one and two there. They're available on the website. So if we look at the classroom post, I still see that there are 16 or so of you to hand that in. That is due by today's lesson. So please make sure you do that. Okay, so for today, we are only doing activity three on the webpage. What British influences remain in Hong Kong? The instructions are on the classroom. I just want to explain them in a bit more detail. So this week, activity three is quite a big task. It requires you to work either on your own, with a partner, or in groups. I will let you decide because some of you won't be able to work in groups. Some of you will be able to collaborate online. I'm going to leave that up to you. And what I want you to do is each group or individual, you're going to choose one of the six aspects of Hong Kong's culture. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be researching how the British colonialism or the British period um, impacted on that aspect of culture. So if you pick architecture, you're going to be looking at how perhaps the British influenced Hong Kong's architecture. Do any styles remain? For instance, you can see in the video screenshot there that obviously there are some British cultural links there. You could pick religion, looking at Christianity and other Western religions. You could look at food. Is any British influence in food still? I'm thinking of many Hong Kong breakfasts, for instance. Population. Is the population of Hong Kong different because of the British in its kind of ethnically or size wise or different groups living? So culturally as well. Business you could select or town planning. Now, to help you with your research, you've got a worksheet here, and it says choose between one of these. So, as a group or on your own, you need to decide which one you want to look at. And then you have to research these six questions. We are going to be doing this task today, on Tuesday, and Wednesday this week. On Thursday, we're going to create a Google slide presentation, and you are going to do a screen record like I am doing now, giving your presentation to the class. It's going to be 3 minutes maximum. Okay, answering these six questions. So these it's really important you research these six questions well because you're going to be creating a Google slide presentation showing your findings to each of these questions. So let's have a look at these questions. You need to find an example of this cultural feature in Hong Kong. To help you with all these questions, you've got some research links on the next page of this document for each one, giving you links to websites that can give you all the information you need. So you can use these websites. You don't have to use anything else. When and how was this feature influenced to Hong Kong? So that's a bit about the history of it. What are the characteristics of this cultural feature? So, if you're looking at architecture, what are the different styles of British architecture? I want specifics here, names, details. If it's religion, give me details. Don't just say Christianity. Look into it. Where can it be found in Hong Kong? What type of Christianity? Go into detail on your research. If you're stuck, always use those W questions: who, what, when, why, and plus the how. That can help you give some descriptive information in your research. How has it impacted the culture of Hong Kong? So think about, is Hong Kong culture today still influenced by it in any way? Do we preserve it, look after it? Do we praise it? Do we see it as a good thing? Where is it located in Hong Kong? So try and find a map to try and map that. You can go to Google My Maps, put that into Google search. My Maps allows you to edit a map, put labels on, and you can screenshot that map and upload to here. Question 6 is your opinion as a group or on your own. Should this cultural feature be preserved? Should we bother to protect it? Or should we just redevelop these influences? Should we forget about them? That's your opinion. And I want to see a couple reasons why you think that. So this is your research. You're going to do 40 minutes today, and you've got 40 minutes on Tuesday and Wednesday as well. You've got some useful YouTube videos here. If you don't know much about the British period, these are good to watch. We're not doing the Google slide today. We're going to do that on Thursday. You're just doing the research. So that's today. Any questions? Just let me know on the Hangouts. Okay, see ya.